In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw on Google Drive. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so everything saves to your drive automatically as you work. Being signed in also ensures you can access all the built-in Google apps without any interruptions. At the top right of the Google homepage, look for the small grid of dots. This is the Google Apps button. Click it to open the app launcher. You'll see a panel of Google services appear. If you don't see the one you want immediately, you can scroll within that panel to reveal more options. Now, click on Drive. This takes you to your Google Drive, where all your files live in the cloud. If you're prompted to sign in again, go ahead and do that. Once Drive opens, you'll be on your main workspace, often called My Drive. In the top left corner of Drive, click the New button. This opens a menu with the different types of files you can create. It's the quickest way to start new documents, spreadsheets, slides, and more right from your Drive. From that menu, click More to expand the full set of options. This is where Google keeps some of its additional tools. In that expanded list, choose Google Drawings. A new tab will open with a blank canvas ready for you. You're now in Google Drawings, and you can start your drawing. Along the top, you'll see the toolbar with the Select Tool, Line, and Arrow tools, shapes, text boxes, and the Scribble option for freehand drawing. Use the fill color and border color controls to customize shapes, and adjust line weight and styles to make elements stand out. If you're sketching quickly, the Scribble tool is great for rough ideas. For cleaner diagrams, combine shapes, lines, and arrows. As you place objects, drag the corner handles to resize, and use the purple alignment guides to keep things neatly lined up. Holding Shift while drawing lines keeps them perfectly straight, and holding Shift while resizing shapes helps maintain proportions for perfect circles and squares. The zoom controls help you get precise when working on details. If you want to add visuals, use the Image button in the toolbar to bring in icons, photos, or logos, then layer them with shapes and text for labels and callouts. The canvas supports snapping and alignment, so it's easy to create tidy layouts. Everything saves automatically to your Drive as you go, so there's no need to worry about losing work. When you're done for now, you can simply close the tab and return to your drawing anytime from your Drive.